Students, we are discussing measurement and evaluation MCQs. Students having the same physical and mental age will have IQ A 80, B 90, C 100, D 110. The answer is C 100. If a student has 10-year physical age and 12 years mental age, then it will have IQ A 110, B 120, C 130, D 140. Correct answer is B 120. A student has 10 years physical age and 12 years mental age, then it will have 120 IQ level. From the following, which one is not the type of test by purpose? A. Norm reference test, B. Criterion reference test, C. Essay type test, D. Standardized test. Correct answer is C. Essay type test. Which is the type of the test by method? A. Objective type test, B. Criterion type test, C. Norm reference test, D. Standardized test. The correct answer is A. Which is the type of the test by methods is called objective type test. In which type of test the analysis of item is necessary? A. Standardized test, B. Teacher made test, C. Both A and B, standardized and teacher, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Standardized test type of test. The analysis of atom is necessary. In which type of test the student's performance is compared with other students? A. Objective reference test, B. Norm reference test, C. Criterion reference test, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Non-reference test. The planned interview is called structured interview, focused interview, panel interview, group interview. Correct answer is A. Structured interview is called planned interview. In which interview method the discussion is concentrated on the method? A. Structured interview, focused interview, panel interview, group interview. Correct answer is B. Focused interview. When the interviewer is more than one, then the interview is called A. Structured interview, B. Focused interview, C. Panel interview, D. Group interview. The answer is D. Group interview. When the interview is only one, then the interview is called A. Structured interview, B. Individual interview, C. Panel interview, D. Group interview. Correct answer is B. Individual interview.